Cohort Diagnostics is an open source software that was developed by the OHDSI community. It is part of the Hades ecosystem of R packages. Cohort Diagnostics enables iterative decision making on cohort definition design choices. So if you have a clinical idea, you have one or more cohort definition design choices, that allows you to compare them and then infer from the comparison some intuition of sensitivity and specificity. It also allows you to understand consistency. If you apply this cohort definition across a network of data sources, how does that cohort definition behave? The use of cohort diagnostics is now considered a required best practice prior to any OHDSI network study. Cohort diagnostics is also being used as a characterization tool, so it is used to generate evidence about a cohort that we are studying. What I'm showing on the screen is the initial landing page of the Cohort Diagnostics software, version 2.1. At the showcase, we will be talking about the clinical idea of anaphylaxis. Presented here are 4 different cohort definitions for anaphylaxis. We will go through them one by one and understand what Cohort Diagnostics is telling us about these cohort definitions. What we'll also go through, like in this slide, is in this view is the cohort counts. We are comparing 2 different cohort definitions, a cohort definition called C3 and a cohort definition called C1, which I will detail in the live meeting. And you can see there's difference in counts based on those 2 cohort definitions. You'll also look at the characterization component of cohort diagnostics, the compare cohort characterization component, compare temporal characterization, and each one of these are diagnostics that help inform design choices. So we'll go through this one by one in more detail. I'll be available to you almost the entire time at the open source software section of this OHDSI symposium. So please join me, find me in Gowtham, and I'll be available to you to answer any questions, walk you through the software, help you with any need in the future or now. And I'm really looking forward to collaboration and working with you more as we go through the journey of phenotype development and evaluation.